Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Bornil Academy. I'm Hassan Mahmood with you, and today I'm going to share one common idiom with you, and that is have a heart of gold. Have a heart of gold. I reckon you can guess the meaning. Yes, you got it right. It means to be very kind and generous. We often say he is very kind and generous or she is very kind and generous. Let's put these aside and start saying he has a heart of gold or she has a heart of gold. So the thing is quite clear. Have a heart of gold means to be very kind and generous. Now I'd like to give you two tasks. Task number one. Pause this video and think about 5 persons who you think have hearts of gold, like my father, my mother, my friend Shajib, my cousins Afra and Ayan, and try to make some sentences with each of the characters using the idiom, like my father has a heart of gold, he always puts others first. Put others first means to think about others first. Or my friend Shojib has a heart of gold. He always assists people, especially his friends. And task number 2, don't forget to share this video tagging those 5 people you thought have hearts of gold, because I think you have a heart of gold.